Hello everyone, welcome back to Coders Project. Today we're going to be talking about an important but often overlooked step in your GitHub projects, adding a license. If you have ever wondered why licensing matters or how to add one to your repo, this video is for you. First things first, why should you add a license? A license lets other people know how they can use your code. Whether you want to allow free use, restricted commercial applications, or require attribution, choosing the right license will protect both you and your project. So there are many licenses you can choose from, but then the most popular ones are the MIT license, GPL, and Apache license. Not sure which one to pick? Go ahead and check out the GitHub's choose a license page for a simple guide. Now let's go ahead and add a license for a repo. So all you need to do is click on add a file, click on create a new file, and then in all caps just type out license, and then click on choose a license template. So there are many licenses available over here. You can go through them one by one. Most coders and programmers often use the MIT license. So this is perfect if you want to keep it simple and allow nearly unrestricted use of your code. And people do use Apache license if you want to allow users to use your code while protecting your trademarks. So let's go ahead and add our MIT license now. So I'm going to click on it, and then you can set your year and your full name over here. And then this is a predefined template which GitHub offers. So you can either use this or write your own, and then you can click on review and submit. It's going to take us back to the code editor. Go ahead and make any changes which you want to make, and then commit your change. So I'm going to commit it directly to a main branch rather than creating a new branch for this. All right, and that's it. Our license has been added. It's going to show on top of our repo now that we have a MIT license, and this is going to allow anyone to easily understand how they can use your code now. And you can also look it over here. And that's it for today. Adding a license is a small step, but it makes a huge difference for your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment for further videos, and see you in the next one.